Hi everyone, welcome to the Prife International. My name is Zach and from the, give me a second, right? Right, okay, so my voice is okay now. All right, my name is Zach from the iAli system. So I wish everyone here health and wealthy. So let me do a mic test. If my voice is loud and clear, please give me a thumbs up and show me your presence. Right, thanks Jenny. Thanks guys. Thanks for the response. It's good, right? It's good if you just turn on your camera so I can see you. I can see your face. All right. Thank you so much for your response. So let me do a disclaimer before I start my sharing.
Medical disclaimers. iTerra Classic and iTerra Pro are not medical devices. The information provided on our website is for educational purposes only and does not substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult a medical professional or healthcare provider if you are seeking medical advice, diagnoses, or treatment. Prife International shall not be liable for risks or issues associated with using or acting upon the information on our website. Prife International shall not be liable or responsible for the actions, misrepresentations, or negligence of our members who are independent contractors.
All right, welcome back. So I believe the reason you are here because you are conscious about your health and you care about your family's health. So in an advanced technology, in the world of advanced technology, we must continue to learn and progress to keep up with the pace of this technology. And so I hope that everyone here can listen to me with an empty cup mentality, all right? So if you're looking for a product that can improve your health in long term, you have came to the right place. Okay, when I first learned about this product, I had the same feeling as you, doubting it, not very sure whether this device will work or not. But not to worry, I got you covered. Okay, I'm graduated in food science and nutrition, and as a nutritionist, if you tell me something that I did not see it in a textbook before, I will not believe it until I get enough evidence. Okay, so I did a lot of research and study on the products through online and so on. And today, I'm going to share it all with you. I'm going to share it all with you. In life, most of the people are looking for two things. Okay, one is wealth and another is health. And most of the people chasing for wealth first at the early age and then followed by the health when they grow older. So if you ask me, this is not the right sequence. Life is short. We need to do both at the same time unless you're willing to spend most of your wealth in the hospital later on. But this is not what we want, right? So in Prife, we can achieve both health and wealth at the same time. And this is the reason I'm sitting here talking to you. I really wish that we are on the same frequency so that we can grow together and achieve the prime of our life. Prife International registered its company last year, September. In about a year time, the company managed to expand its business to 50 countries and regions. Wow, the achievement is extraordinary. It's not an easy job to do so, especially during this pandemic situation where most of the countries still having a lockdown. However, I believe the company can achieve such a result because the product can speak itself. And when we talk about the product, iTeracare is the core product in Prife International. And most probably, this is one of your friends that are talking about. iTeracare is a revolutionary technology device with terahertz technology that can benefit to humankind. So basically, there are three types of model available: the Pro, the Premium, and the Classic. And all of them do their job. Just that the build quality of the higher end model is much better. So if you can, go for the higher range. So what is terahertz? What is so good about this technology? Let me walk you through. Terahertz is an electromagnetic wave band between the microwave and the infrared. And we know that microwave band used in microwave ovens to heat up our foods, okay? And infrared band used in the night vision device and so on. But what about terahertz? Is this something new? No. In fact, terahertz was discovered by an American scientist in 1980. Just that the technology of terahertz application was not invented at a point of time. That is the reason it's called terahertz gap. Okay, the word gap. Okay, and later on, scientists found that the frequency of terahertz is beneficial to human body. It's good for us. And terahertz will be one of the top 10 most advanced technology to change the future world. Even the Japanese authority named terahertz the wave of life, and the Chinese scientists call it the light of life. Wow, there's so much relationship between these terahertz frequency towards life, especially to human life, especially to Earth. And is there any application of terahertz in our life yet? Yes, there is. Of course, there is. Terahertz has been widely used in communication technology, public safety, and biomedical science. So everyone heard of 4G, 5G, okay? Maybe 5G is not so common at your place, okay? But what about 6G? Most of the places in the world do not have 5G yet, but 6G is already there in China, all right? They are doing it. Terahertz is the only technology that can make this happen. 6G can deliver a much faster speed, 1000 gigabyte per second, which is 100 times faster than 5G. So to do this, you need terahertz technology. Beside that, terahertz is widely used in airport security scan as well because it's much more safer compared to the radio frequency. And terahertz is also used in medical imaging because of its property of non-harmful to cells, okay? Non-ionizing and non-harmful to cell. So, and it got a good penetration to the human body. So it's very suitable to use as a medical scan. So it is going to benefit us. Yes, of course, these such incredible properties of terahertz has been applied in iTeracare, the co-product of Prife International. So let me walk you through the 5 features of iTeracare here. Features number 1, good penetrations. Terahertz can penetrate to our human body straight to the bone marrow and blood vessel. Why is this so important? The ancient Greek father of medicine, Hippocrates, he said that if there's a way to hit the bone, then all diseases can be treated. Not some diseases, but all diseases can be treated. We can't cut our body and hit our bone, right? So this is not possible. And last time, we do not have the technology to do so, but now we have found a safe way to hit our bone with iTeracare using terahertz technology. So it can penetrate to our body 20 to 30 cm to reach the bone marrow, heat up our bones, promotes blood circulation, and increase body temperature. This is very important. Why? Smooth blood circulation is so important because most diseases result from blood blockage. And according to the traditional Chinese medicine, a blockage is the leading cause of body pain and will result in inflammation and later on even develop to diseases. So we need to be very careful to our health, to our blood vessels. And there are more than 250 trillion blood vessels in our body. And you do not know which blood vessel will block in one day. It will not happen in one day, but the accumulations of the fats or the unwanted particle in our blood vessel day by day. And that is why you need to do prevention before your blood vessel get blocked. And you might be read through some news mentioning a young adult who passed away with blood blockage issues. Blood blockage is no longer a problem for the elderly, but it's also a serious problem for the youngster. So it might be because of the quality of foods that we take now, or the water that we consume now, or the air that we breathe in now is not good as the past. So it is our own responsibility to take care of your body before anything goes wrong. And iTeracare is one that can help us. It can help to promote smooth blood circulations. So traditional Chinese medicine say that Good blood circulation promote a good smooth meridian system. A meridian system can do, okay, a better meridian system can do a better job in transport nutrition to our entire body so that we can stay healthy. Usually our body get hot when we get sick. Why? Because the body will produce more white blood cell to fight the diseases. So when our body temperature increase by 1 degree Celsius, our immune system will be enhanced by 5 times. Have you ever asked yourself why you must wait until you get sick, then only your temperature will increase? Is there a way to increase to slightly higher, our temperature slightly higher when we are not sick, just to maintain a good immune system? Is that a way? Yes, everyone can do this, all right? You can do exercise, all right? So, but I know a lot of excuse there, no time, this and that. But now there's another option for you. You can use iTeracare to heat up your bone. Best if you can do both. This is the best result you can get. And let's move on. Features number 2, resonance. And according to Albert Einstein, everything in the world is energy. When there is energy, there is vibration, and there is vibration, there will be a frequency going on. So all of your cells are actually vibrating every second without you knowing. Wow. Okay, let me show you a short video to demonstrate what is resonance. As you can see, different frequency, it will no reaction at all. There's no reaction at all. If the same frequency 440 hertz and one is vibrating, the other will follow. Okay, so this is what we call resonance. Both objects will vibrate in the same higher frequency. So you might be asking, what will this do with iTeracare? Is it anything related to me? Our body cell vibrate more than 100 million times per second. Wow, that's a lot of times per second. And the best thing is the terahertz has the same frequency as our body. This is good. So when you use iTeracare to blow it on your body, you are absorbing the terahertz energy, and this energy will activate your cell because they vibrate at the same frequency. And this is important because you must know that the best medicine for you is your own cell, especially your stem cell. So the number of stem cells in our body is high during infancy and young age. As we grow and grow and grow older, the active stem cell level is low, which is why we get sick easily and we age. And also, this is why people spend 10,000, 100,000 of dollars to get human stem cell injections. Is this injection effects going to last long? Of course not, because this type of stem cell is not your own body stem cell. It will not last long, and you need to keep the stem cell injection once every few months or once every month. So this is going to cause a bomb to your wallets. Okay, it's not good, but not to worry. Now you have iTeracare, which can activate your body stem cell using terahertz technology. And the best thing is you can use it every day. Wow, you can use it every day, just one time, one cost. You can use it every day. No need to worry about the cost because you just pay once and use it for the long term. And this is what we are looking for. The genius Albert Einstein said that the future medicine would be the medicine of frequencies. So I believe we have seen some scenes, okay, in the sci-fi movie where there's a wounded soldier or a patient pushed into a container, or this is what we call mad bat. And after a while, you see some light scan through, different type of light scan through the entire body, and some different frequency going on there. And then the body start to heal itself. All right, this is not for public now. Okay, I do not know whether this thing is exists or not, but I believe this will happen in the future when they apply terahertz technology in a more advanced way. So move on, features number 3, identifications. So terahertz can identify the abnormal cell or the mutated cell and then to eliminate them, to kill them. Okay, why terahertz can make such an identifications? Because healthy and normal cells do vibrate at the same frequency as terahertz. So same frequency, that will activate, they will become resonance and activate, but the abnormal cell will have a different frequency, and with different frequency, terahertz will kill the cell. So they know that this is not good, this is abnormal. They will reduce the abnormal cell and eliminate them from our body. And let me show you a video to demonstrate this identifications property. As you can see, when the patient was blown on his left side, he felt pain, okay? But when the patient is blown on his right side, he felt okay, nothing, all right? But why? Because the terahertz can identify which part of your body contain more abnormal cell and give you the signal of potential sickness. And this is important because with iTeracare, it might be able to provide you with the early detections of any potential serious health problem. So in that case, okay, left side, which is your heart located, so it's dangerous to him. There might be a blockage. Then he need to go to see the specialist and do the necessary. So this is good for us, all right? Identifications. So the next one, features number 4, safety. Let me ask you a question. If a product is very effective on you, but it's not safe, will you still use it? If there's a side effect, will you still take it? Of course not. And this is what the common answer I get. But when you get headache, when you're not feeling well, what is the first thing you do? You pop a pill, right? And you know, medicine, drugs, they do have side effect, but we got no option, all right? We got no option at the moment. Of course, you need to take it, but not to worry. iTeracare is 100% safe to use. And when we talk about electronic devices, and there are two things that you need to look at, all right? The two things about the safety you need to look at. The first one is the radiations, okay? And the second one is the UV light. So let me show you a video on this one. Most of the electronic devices do have radiations, including the handphone that you are using right now, or the laptop, or the monitor, TV, especially devices that are charging. You look at here, they detect the induction cooker, 1,000 over value of radiation. Wow, this is not good, okay? The induction cooker, if you stay close to it every day, then you might get some problems. So if you test with iTeracare, what do you see? The value show 0, 0, 0, meaning there is no radiation at all for this device. And this is safe for us to use, even for the long term, even for everyday use. It's totally safe for you. And another thing that we need to look at, the safety, is the ultraviolets. Okay, UV light is not good for human. If you're exposed to UV light for a long period of time, there's a high chance of getting skin cancer. This is not good. So let me show you another video. If UV light is present, the test card will turn purple color, as you can see in the video, all right? So although iTeracare emits purple color light, but there's no UV at all, okay? You can look at here. There's no UV at all. The test paper did not turn purple color. It's just an indicator for you to know which part of the meridian point that you are blowing. And furthermore, terahertz can neutralize the UV light, as you can see. When there's UV light going on, and then you blow it with iTeracare, and that's it, it's gone. Wow, it's gone. Okay, it's not only do not contain any UV light, it can neutralize UV light, okay, as shown in the video. So with these two experiments, we know that iTeracare is 100% safe to use. No need to worry. Features number 5, user friendly. If this device, okay, is effective and required you to attend a 2-month course, or become a specialist, or become a doctor to use it, I believe that a lot of people are giving up. Okay, most probably no one is going to use it. But not to worry again, this device is easy to operate. What you need to do is drink 2 glasses of warm water before the treatment, and then blow it on your palm and soul first. Okay, this is important to open up the exit point for the human body humidity. And after that, blow it on your backbone and other part of the meridian point showing here. So each meridian point, just blow for 3 minutes, and then at the end of the treatment, drink 2 glasses of warm water again. That's it. Okay, straightforward, easy to use. you can even use it and in your home or anywhere in the world that with a power plug. Okay, so what I recommend, do the treatment at least once a day. Okay, at least one a day, make it a habit. And there's a little tips that I'm going to share with you. Okay, blowing on your backbone is very important because it can help us to activate our body stem cells so that we can repair the broken cell and make us healthier and younger. You know that stem cell is everything. When your stem cell go to your eyes, it becomes an eye cell. When your stem cell go to your skin, it becomes skin cell. So this is important. It can repair our broken cell. It can replace our broken cell. And we can achieve what we call anti-aging. Okay, this is what we need, right? We want to look young, right? And in Malaysia, okay, we have a doctor set up a therapy center and use iTeracare to his patients, and the response is so good, right? Mainly due to the product effectiveness. Okay, you can see the product like after one treatment, two treatment, you can see the improvement is very fast. And other than Malaysia, there are therapy centers in China, in India, where the doctor use the iTeracare device on their patients, right, as the alternative medicines. Not only giving them pills and drugs, okay, they give them alternative medicines. Each time of the iTeracare therapy is equivalent to 10 times of acupuncture, 20 times of cupping, 30 times of quartz, and 40 times of massage. So the therapy is so powerful compared to the traditional method. But is there anyone out there not suitable to use? Yes, of course, there is. Pregnant lady or the lady with menstrual period is not suitable to use. Acute medical condition is not suitable to use. A person with a metal frame or electronic devices is not suitable to use. Lens implant inside the eyes is not suitable to use. And last, open wound or wound fracture is not suitable to use. Okay, because when you use it, your blood, okay, becomes smooth, your blood circulation is turned good. And if you do have open wound, it will keep on bleed more. So wait for it to dry up first, and then only you use iTeracare. Other than this, almost all of us can use iTeracare and benefit from it. And if you go and research, okay, you go and search iTeracare or terahertz device on some e-commerce platform, you can see a lot of similar product, okay, like iTeracare. But is the product genuine and give you the beneficial effect that you want? Okay, you can try to ask the seller a few questions to verify whether this device they're selling is genuine or not, is good to you or not. The first question you can ask, who are the product inventor and the scientists behind it? For iTeracare, Yang Wenjun is the inventor of this product, and he is a biomedics expert who successfully developed the first terahertz device in China at the year of 2014. And the selling price for this first terahertz device cost 3 million yuan, which is about 400,000 US dollar. Wow, this is such a price, okay? And it's impossible for ordinary people to purchase and benefit from it. Right? Only the rich, the super rich, or the institution have the ability to purchase. But now we are so lucky that this product, this device, become much more affordable after go through all the first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth, and now it's the fifth generation. We can afford, okay, all of us here can afford and enjoy the benefit of terahertz technology. Yang Wenjun was appointed as the think tank expert by China authority. You must know that there are so many scientists in China who invented so many things, okay, but only those who can give high level of contribution to the society will get this title. And we are glad that the founder of iTeracare is the terahertz expert representative in China. Okay, we can use iTeracare with full of confidence. Another question you can cross-check with the product seller, okay, of the device is where is your factory and what is your factory manufacturing? For iTeracare, the product is manufactured in Nanjing, China. The manufacturer of the iTeracare device is 德尚科技, and they are the top terahertz technology research and development institution in China. So I can tell you that we can rely 100% on them. All right. The third question you can ask others, okay, about the terahertz device seller is that, do you have any certification or recognition for your product? This is very important. For iTeracare, this is all the certifications regarding to the product safety, the product effectiveness, and the product patents. So with all the certification here, you can use iTeracare with a peace of mind. Why safety certification is so important? Let me show you a video, right? Imagine exactly look like iTeracare, but it's not. Its brand name is different. Healing something, okay? Just imagine if you use this imitated product that emits radiations for a long period of time. What will happen to you? You are not blowing terahertz, you are blowing radiation. This is very bad, okay? This is very bad, all right? You know the consequences, okay? Do not take it. Do not take the fixed product. And furthermore, there are 62 clinical reports for iTeracare issued by the China authority. And this clinical trial is not tested on animal, but tested on humans. So we can know that whether this device really work on you or not. We can look at the report. We can look at the report here. 5-star indicate that this product is effective in this aspect, and 4-star indicate that this product is significant improvement in this aspect. So the higher the quantum value, that is better. 5-star is the best. Okay, we can see here inflammation, which is the origin of the most diseases. Okay, they have a 5-star here. The quantum value is the highest. So if you can reduce the chance of inflammation, most diseases can be avoided. Other than this, iTeracare is also effective in comprehensive health from head to toe, tumor, virus, diabetes, brain, and lymph nodes. In other words, iTeracare can give you a better health and do excellent preventions of severe health issue. So we know that prevention is always cheaper than cure. Professionals like doctors around the world do love iTeracare as well. Other than giving patients drugs to fight the diseases, and doctor will look for alternative medicines to help their patients to reduce the side effect. And iTeracare is one of their choice. And we have specialists from Tonga. Okay, we do have doctors from Malaysia, doctors from the Philippines, doctors from the US, and other countries who love iTeracare as the alternative medicine. For more information on this interview, you can watch online in the YouTube. Okay, just search for the iTeracare YouTube channel, and you can, there's tons of the video waiting for you to watch. Suppose you see a similar product that looks like iTeracare, but it's not from iTeracare. It's not from Prife International. In that case, you need to be careful. Prife International is the sole distributor of iTeracare in the world. This means that if you see other people selling a similar thing, this is probably an imitated product. So please make sure you get the genuine iTeracare for your own safety, And next, I'm gonna go through some of the testimonial with you really quick. And here is some of the testimonial that we collected from the users of iTeracare around the world. So iTeracare is effective for varicose vein. As you can see, the before and after comparison. Just one time of treatment, you can see such a wonderful result. Wow, okay, just one time of treatment. And there's a spinal cerebellar atrophy patient showing sign of improvement after using iTeracare, where the damage, the brain is get damaged, then you do have the disease. And before this, he's not able to speak, okay, but after the treatment, he started to talk a little bit. Wow, this is a very good improvement. Another patient with facial paralysis, the Bell palsy, okay, where she can't control the other half of her face, okay, because of the infections going on, okay, it will contract unwillingly. After using iTeracare for 8 days, just 8 days, she almost back to normal. incredible results. iTeracare is also effective on patients with psoriasis. As you can see from here, it shows great sign of improvement after 6 days, right? The 6th day of treatment, you can see the before and after comparison, much better, okay? So even baby with eczema can use iTeracare because the device is 100% safe to use with no radiation, no UV light, and no other side effects. So baby can use, right? So here's another case of psoriasis patients. After 22 days of treatment, it showed good sign of recovery. After sometimes, okay, maybe the early stage, you can see some effect like red spot or whatever. This is what we call a healing crisis, but you just allow your body to heal, okay? Give it sometimes, allow your body to heal, and later on, you can see such a wonderful results. And this elderly is having difficulty in lifting up the arm, lifting up his arm. And after the iTeracare treatment, he can lift his arm higher and higher, showing a good sign of improvement. So another elderly here does not have this ability to grip, okay, have a very poor grip strength where she can't really close her fist. And after using iTeracare for just 15 minutes, okay guys, just 15 minutes, and she can close her fist and showing sign of improvement. Of course, not everyone do have the fast result, okay, depends on yourself, okay. Some of them do have a fast result and some of them do take time, okay. It maybe need 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, weeks or months to get you healed. And for those who have this stomach ache, okay, you can use iTeracare as well because it's effective to relieve the pain, all right. You can use it even for the baby. And this patient is having down vagus harm, okay, and showing good sign of improvement after using iTeracare for about 10 days, okay. This is a very serious illness, okay. If you leave it, do not treat it, it might affect the brain, okay. So it's very important to treat it immediately. And this patient is having difficulty in walking, okay, for 15 years, where she need to rely on a walking stick to walk, okay. After 15 minutes of iTeracare treatment, you can see she can walk without walking stick. The result is excellent. It's so good. And you can look at the face, the expressions, right? She's so happy about it. And this is another elderly showing sign of improvement as well for walking difficulty, right? 80 years old, okay, when you walk, very pain, but after using it, wow, okay, there's no pain, all right, there's less pain. And this is another testimonial from an elderly where she can't really bend down for prayer, okay, and after a week of iTeracare treatment, she's able to do a prayer without any pain. Wow, she's so grateful to iTeracare, and look at her face. She's happy now and she can walk, she can run around without any pain. Okay, look at her. Wow, just look at her. Look at her face, all right? Just wait for it. Yeah, now she can run, okay? Now she can walk and very fast, okay? Incredible. All right, this is another elderly having difficulty in standing up by herself after sitting down, okay? And after iTeracare treatment, she is able to stand and sit by herself, okay? So it's so relief for her, no more pain. And for those who are having pain, you know the feeling, right? So this is a bedridden elderly managed to do some light exercise and walk with a walking stick after certain time of iTeracare treatment. Fantastic recovery, fantastic. And this patient is infected with COVID-19, okay, and causes his oxygen level drop to a critical level 87, okay, this is serious. And then the one who blowing, okay, is his son, okay, and then so worried, so we blow with iTeracare, and after that, wow, look at it, the oxygen level back to normal, all right. It's not 99, it's not 100, okay, but it's close to normal, 96. And after a few days, he managed to eat normally. The appetites came back, right? So this is very good for COVID patients. Then this is another COVID patient who need to rely on oxygen tank before the treatment. After using iTeracare, she can breathe normally without oxygen tank and achieve speed recovery. Wow, this is good. Another patient here is having diabetes with 11.1 HbA1c. So after using iTeracare for 3 months, okay, take a longer time, 3 months, the HbA1c dropped to 6.81. His blood sugar almost back to the normal level. You know that the normal level is 5.7. It's close to normal level. And this can achieve a fantastic result. And he just need to keep on using it and he will get improvements. So this is another patient with high index of triglyceride with 9.37 reading. Wow, it's very high. Normal reading is 1.68. Below that, okay, it's good. But more than that, it's not good. And then this Mr. Yang, okay, got this 9.37, which is very high. And after iTeracare treatment for 10 days, the triglyceride index dropped to 2.68, which is much better than before. Excellent results. All right, excellent result. And other than beneficial to health, okay, we did get back, okay, feedback from the users that iTeracare treatment can help in aesthetic as well. Although this is not the main purpose, but okay, we do this, get this feedback as well. What they do, okay, they just use iTeracare to blow it on their face and do some massage, okay, and then the result is so good. Okay, as you can see, the eye bags became smaller and the face, okay, on the left side is so big, on the right side is so small. Okay, it lift up, all right, so into a V shape after blowing. All right, wow, this is good for the ladies. And this treatment help in the eyes wrinkle as well. Okay, after blowing it, you can see the result is so good. The before and after comparison has a huge difference in terms of the face and the wrinkles. Okay, and this user showing sign of improvement for pigmentations. After one time of treatment, 70% of the black pigmentations goes off. Wow, this is so good. And then the face become brighter after using the iTeracare treatments. And most probably, I believe that because of the blood circulation is smooth. And then the patients, okay, feedback iTeracare helps in crow's feet as well, and acne face. Wow, okay, for those youngster out there, you have this acne problem, this is suitable for you to use iTeracare, right? This is just a side effect, okay, a beautiful result. And furthermore, okay, I can say that this is the only side effect that you can get from iTeracare treatment. After using it, your blood circulation will improve, and then your metabolism will improve as well. And this will result, okay, this will result in weight loss as the side effect. All right, so if you ask me, all right, I do not mind having these side effects. Okay, users showing her tummy became smaller after using the iTeracare treatments because of the weight loss. Okay, and here is more. All right, iTeracare can help them to reduce their weight indirectly, and some of them that look big in the tummy is not because of fat, because of the water retentions and because of the hormone imbalance. When your body heal, your hormone and regulate back to normal, and then your water retention goes off, then you lose weight very fast. Okay, this is how it works. And other than blowing iTeracare to your body, we can blow it to the water as well. Okay, so let me show you these short video clips. All right, it's very easy for those who have a stand. Just use that, buy the stand and then just put it on the stand. Okay, hold it with the stand and blow it to the water tank. All right. So another video. All right, the
Good day,
doctor took a drop
everyone.
of blood from a
We
patient
took a
and look
drop
at
of
it
blood
under
and
microscope. As
test
you can see
in
from the video,
microscope.
the red blood
We
cell
found the
form a
blood is sticking
cluster where they
together.
stick together and
After
moving
that,
very slow.
we
If
took
they
300
move
ml of
very slow,
water
this is not good. Okay,
and
your
we
heart need to
charge
work harder, they need to pump
using the
harder,
blower
and then they need to
which
pump
generate
more frequency.
iTerra
Okay, this will
plus
result in
technology.
high blood pressures.
It's
So
about
after that, the doctor take
2-inch
about 300 ml
distance over
water
30
and
seconds.
then blow it with iTeracare
After
for
doing that
30 seconds and then ask the patient to
30
drink all of
seconds
it and wait
and
for 10
we
minutes.
give the
After 10
person to
minutes, the
drink
doctor take another drop of blood from the
and
patient and look at it under the
we waited
microscope.
for almost about
All right, you
10
can
minutes.
wait for it. Yeah, as you
We
can
test the
see,
blood.
the
The
red
blood is
blood cells
separated and beautiful.
separated look
is
very
moving
nice,
fast.
moving very
The choice
fast,
is also
and this lower the
clean
risk
the
of
blood
blockage. Okay,
and
this is what
remove
we
all the
want, and
toxin.
lower the risk of high blood pressure. Wonderful result. All right, this is both way. Blow it on your body, blow it on your water, charge it with the terahertz energy, and drink it every day. All right, so here's another testimonial from the user where they test the energy level of the water treated with iTeracare. They test it with the dowsing rod. Okay, if there's energy, the dowsing rod will separate in the different directions. Okay, so if you drink water, okay, if you drink water with energy, it can help you to recharge your body. All right, so we know that every part of our body, every cell is a battery for us. Okay, we need to charge it, just like your handphone. You need to charge your handphone, you need to charge your body. All right, so you see it showing good energy over there. All right, so other than using it on human, on water, and some of the user use it on animal as well. Okay, I know that you love your pets, so that you use it on them. Okay, the feedback is fantastic. Animal with iTeracare treatment showing a better health. The fur quality is nicer, it's smooth. All right, and then look at here, look at the parrot and the
Where stop
and
where?
the dog, okay, the husky is so enjoying
Where to stop?
receiving Sarah's technology. If it's not good, it will definitely run away or fly away. But this parrot, okay, decided to stand still. You know that animal know that what is good and what is bad. Okay, there must be reasoning. They know that okay, terahertz is a good energy. They are absorbing it. They are enjoying the energy. So you need to blow it on the pet as well if you do have one. And in ancient times, okay, the life cycle for people just need to go through born, age, and then die. Okay, but the modern people nowadays need to go through born, age, sick, and then only die. So what is the reason behind this? Might be the food quality now is not good compared to last time. Might be the water quality now is not good compared to last time. Might be the air quality now is not good compared to last time. We can't really do big impact on the bigger environment factors, but we can do something with our body with a great impact. Okay, with iTeracare, we can reduce the sick progress and then achieve a better quality of life. Okay, so this is what we want to do. Prevention is always better than cure. And now let's talk about the price tag. Okay, you must be wondering how much. All right, so this is the price for iTeracare. Is this expensive? Depends on how you look at it and how you think about it. So if you compare it with your health, okay, this is definitely very cheap. Assume you only use iTeracare for 1 year because it comes with 1 year already. You only use it for 1 year. You only need to pay less than $1 a day for classic and okay, less than $3 a day for the premium model. Okay, what if you can use iTeracare for 3 years, 4 years, or even 5 years? Okay, the cost is much cheaper. Okay, anyway, you can't compare price with our health because our health is priceless. Okay, nothing can compare to our health. So if you remember, the company philosophy is to bring health and wealth to people. So after you try the product and feel good about it, okay, please recommend your friends to use it. Spread the good things, spread the good health to your friends and family, and ensure they are in the good situations, in a good health. Okay, by doing this, the company does have a reward system for you and recognize your contribution to the society. So there are three different type of a product package for you to get. Okay, the silver, okay, and then come with the classic, the gold come with the iTeracare premium, the diamond come with the pro, and all bonuses are calculated based on PV. So if you refer one of your friends to buy the product, you get 10% as a direct referral reward. And at the same time, you do receive product point as well. So when your network grow, okay, when you build your network, you start to enjoy the level pairing bonus, the pairing bonus, and the matching bonus. So today, I'm not going into details on this. If you want to know more, stay tuned for my next sections. All right. So if you want, okay, if you're interested to know how to use this reward system to earn a profit for of this $260,000 in a short period of time, and $440,000 passive income every month. Wow, this is what we want, right? Passive income every month. And then please contact the person who invite you for these Zooms. All right. So basically, that's all for my sharing today. And I hope you enjoy it. And I wish everyone here to stay healthy, beauty, and wealthy. So thank you, everyone. I will see you at the next meeting. Stay safe and bye bye.